All right, everybody, I just want to talk a little bit about what we need to look for when we are looking at our images, our books, our online videos, and our websites today. So the first thing that you had to do in your practice is we looked at a picture on Flickr. We needed to find the title, and looking down here, I can see the title is The Bridge. Then I'm going to look for the contributor, who is the photographer, and the photographer is Alan Morris. Next, I need the name of the website, which is Flickr. Can see that up here. Can also see a clue for that up in the URL. Looking for a publisher, if I go all the way to the bottom, I do not see a copyright symbol, and so I'm not going to list a publisher. I do need the date that it was electronically published, and this picture was taken on November 19th, 2017. And of course, my date accessed is today. The URL is up here. Just do one click. That gets the entire link. Control C and put that into my document. The next thing that we took a look at was an article. And the title of the article is 3D Printing What You Need to Know. The contributor is the author, the person who wrote it, Tony Hoffman. If we look all the way at the bottom of this one, we will see a copyright symbol, a date, and this is the publisher. The name of the website is PC, but we could also use PC Mag, again, getting that clue from the URL. The URL, pretty short, just click it once and you got it. Electronically published, June 20th, 2018, and the date accessed is today. Next, we looked at a book, and here we have the book, Number the Stars. So our source title is the name of the book, Number the Stars. Our contributor is the author, Lois Lowry. Our publisher is a publishing company, and books usually make it pretty easy for us to figure out who is the publisher, but it is listed a few times here as Houghton Mifflin Harcourt Publishing Company. We need to know the city, New York, and we need to know the year, 1989. We're not worried about volume and edition or series because we don't see any of that listed here, and so we would leave those parts blank. The last thing that we looked at is a YouTube video. As a reminder, we don't need to watch the YouTube video in order to cite it. So when you are in your assessment today, please make sure that your video is not playing while other people are testing. That would be very distracting. So the first thing that we need here is the title of the video. And our title of the video is How Smart is a Lemur? Then we need the contributor. And in this case, whenever we're using YouTube, the contributor is the channel. So CNN is the contributor. Our site name, okay, so we're talking about our website, like the website title, is YouTube. And so we're going to have YouTube on there. We have our URL up here, one click for that. We have the date that it was electronically published right here, July 15th, 2012. We know that our date accessed is today. And then as far as a publisher, if we do scroll to the bottom here, it really just keeps loading with videos. And so we're just going to say that there is no publisher on this video.